Okay, so on request we are going to do some exercises for sciatic nerve issues. Now, this should obviously be diagnosed by a professional, but if you have been diagnosed with this condition, here's some fantastic stretches that can help. So the first one we're going to try is we're going to sit on the floor, and we're just going to sit with our feet up against the wall, okay? So in this position, our legs should be straight, and just sit up as tall as you possibly can. Now from here, we're just going to try and push our feet against the wall as well as bending forward. So I'm doing that already. Now, I am getting a bit of a stretch down behind the back of the legs. If that stretch is enough, then just sit there and hold that actively. So I'm actively pushing the feet away and trying to bend forwards. If that's not enough of a stretch and you want a bit more, you can clasp your hands together, pop them behind your head and just gently bend forwards. All right, and then you can hold this for sort of 10 to 20 seconds before having a bit of a break and then stretching through again. So we'll just do that together. So clasp your hands together if you want to, or if not, just sit up nice and tall, hands behind the head and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Okay, I'm going to do the same again. Hands behind the head and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and up. Okay, so you can do that a few times each day. The next exercise, we're going to lie on our back and we're going to bend our knees up. So either you can take one hand to the knee, the other hand to the knee, and then we're just going to sort of try and rock back and forward. So bringing the knees in, okay? So I'm actively using my hands to do this, okay? So we're going to do this 10 times, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, okay? And then one knee down, then the other knee down. Now, just to progress this a bit further, we're going to actively use our core to bring our knees into our chest. So again, one knee at a time up into the air, okay? From here, I'm just going to pull in and pop down, okay? Up, up, pull in and pop down. So if you find it easy, then you can pop both legs down together, but if it's a bit more challenging, then do take one leg at a time. So up, up, pull in, and either down, down, or this is the harder progression. So up, up, pull in, and then down together. The next progression is pulling both knees in at the same time, okay? So this is helping to round your lower back, so getting the flexion movement through the lower back, but also helping to work the core. So obviously I'm doing the slightly harder exercise, but you can just do it as you need to in the lower level like that, all right? So the next exercise, we're going to use a chair. So you're going to just find a dining room chair, sit yourself down. So in this position, you need to be about 90 degrees. This is a little bit high for me, but most chairs are because I'm not that tall. So from here, you're going to drop your chin down to your chest, okay? And then you're just going to extend the leg that's affected. So straighten the leg and then back down, okay? We're going to do this again, but we're going to change it slightly. So chin down to chest, straighten the leg, and then pull the toes back towards you, okay? And then down. And then we're going to do a slightly different variation again. So chin down to chest, straighten the leg, pull the toes back towards you, and just extend the head to the ceiling. Okay. So choose whichever you want to work with at those variations. So we're just going to do 10 repetitions. So I'm going to go chin down to chest. I'm going to pull my leg straight and toes back towards me, and I'm actually going to work through like this. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, like this, okay, and pop it down. Now, if you want to work through both legs, you can. Obviously, sciatica normally just affects the one side of the nerves, but you can do both sides, which I'm going to do. So I'm going to chuck my head down, extend the leg, toes back towards me, and then up in the air, 1, 2, and I'm really feeling a stretch down the back of my leg here. Okay, 4, and last one here, 5. then just pop the leg down. Try these through every day, but obviously it is much more advisable to get professional help if you do need it. We do offer virtual sessions if you need our help.